to the segment number 4 on creating a live binder. And in this tutorial, we will first take a look at what we've learned so far, just recapping everything we've learned, and then we're going to continue on with adding content, specifically text and picture. Let's take a look at what we have created. So I'm going to go back to View, Present mode, specifically side tabs. Okay, so everything, we have added a PowerPoint handout. We have added a PDF, just a typical worksheet or handout. We have added a Word document. Notice that comes as a separate link which has to be opened or downloaded. We've entered a web link. That particular one is a nice one. It opens right here on in this window. But then for a YouTube video, we may have to click on it. It opens in a new tab. And then again, we can close that tab to return back to the binder, or we learn how to embed a YouTube video. Okay, what if we click on the Introduction tab? Notice nothing shows up because currently it's just a blank page. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create something and enter it, not an uploaded document, but something that we create directly in Livebinders. Let's take a look. So I need to go back to the edit mode. So click on this icon up top, the binder with the pen icon. Brings us to the edit mode. And automatically the first tab is selected. Notice there's no content, it's completely empty. Now to add content, you can click on this tab as we've done previously, and you could upload a file, but like I said, this is, I want to do something different right now. So I'm not going to add a YouTube or Flickr, etc. So click on the bottom one, Set Text Layout. The default is the first one, okay? But now I want to select one of these layouts that include text, and I'm going to select this one, the one that says one column text, and automatically it's selected. You can close it, and the template appears on your page. Now the title will be Livebinders Demo, or Livebinders Tutorial. And under the text, first I want to enter a picture in there. And notice when you enter it, when you click in the box, and if you click on this yellow triangle, it gives you more options to edit. It gives you options for font size, font type, color, boldface, etc., including HTML if you're familiar with that. First, I want to enter a picture. So I'm going to press enter a few times, go up there. I've already searched for some flower images, and notice that within the image search, you have a choice now. You can, typically things come not filtered by license, but if you want to find things that are not copyrighted, you may select something like labeled for non-commercial use, so you know the image you select can be used on your website or in your binder. So I'm going to select one of those, such as this one. Right click on the image, copy, and go back to the binder, and this time right click and paste. Allow access, and here we have the picture. I'm going to center it. I'm going to select it once again and make it a little bit bigger or smaller as you like. You can adjust the sizing. And as for the text, I already have entered the information into a Word document previously, so I'm just going to copy it and paste it. And there we have it. If you want to center it, change the color, you can. Just to get a little fancy here, I will change the color of the font to blue. You can make it boldface. As you see, you can make it anything you like. Okay, maybe I'll turn it into green instead. And again, you can center it, you can left align it, and so forth. And at the top, I want to center it and make the font size a little bit bigger. So there, for the font size, let me select font size of 24. And as for the color, green. Okay, let's take a look at what this looks to the users of the binder. So go to Present, Side Tabs, and everything is under Chapter 1. Or, as a matter of fact, this was under the Introduction, and right there, everything we entered, including the picture, appears when the users click on the Introduction tab. Then, if you click on the Chapter 1 tab, that disappears, and you have the sub-tabs. And you may find that it would be helpful to enter some text here also. So let's go back to Edit. And for Chapter 1, let's go to Add Content, Set Text Layout, pretty much repeating the steps from earlier. And we can say to access the materials for Chapter 1. And if you like, you can add another image there. And I will copy and paste. And center. Let's go and take a look. And there's our introduction, and when we click on Chapter 1, there's information we just entered. Notice I forgot to delete that. And there you have it.